Well, getting you more as far as the political drama in Maharashtra is concerned, what we're picking up is that Devendra Fadnavis's name rather is going to be announced by today or tomorrow after a key meeting. It takes place eventually. There will be an announcement that he is the leader of the legislature, which obviously is then going to pave the way for him to take over as the next chief minister of the state. Mahayuti is set to announce its CM pick today in this meeting. Eknath Shinde has said that Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah will take the final call. He will abide by their call. Meanwhile, tussle over portfolios continues. Sources are telling us that Shinde Sena is adamant on the Deputy CM and also the portfolio for the Home Ministry, along with retaining 9 existing berths. Portfolios will be discussed after the CM is announced.
अरे भैया उनकी कल मीटिंग है ना विधानमंडल पक्ष की उनकी मीटिंग है उसमें तय हो जाएगा क्यों चिंता करते हो 5 तारीख तो हुई है तो आप चिंता मत करो सब बराबर हो जाएगा.
Vidya getting in more details in that big story. Vidya, we're expecting by today or tomorrow Devendra Fadnavis's name is going to be announced as the leader of the legislature party, which obviously means that he will get the top job.
Well, the legislative party meet was supposed to happen last week, remember. Also, the meeting between the Mahayuti leaders, that was also expected to be done by Thursday. That did not happen. So, almost everything has been delayed, but it is being said that the legislative party meet will happen a day before the swearing in, at least that would take place, which would be actually around 5th. That the swearing in is likely to take place. So, before 4th, the meeting will be held wherein the legislative party leaders' name would be announced, and also, that would have the blessing of the top-notch leaders of from Delhi BJP as well, is what we are being told. And this announcement would also mean that there would be a totality decision as to who gets what. The portfolio decision in Maharashtra would also be done by then. And for that, the Mahayuti leaders are supposed to meet today or tomorrow. Remember, the Mahayuti leaders have to decide who gets the home portfolio, the industry portfolio, the different kinds of cabinet berths that are there. That has to be decided along with the chief minister's name. So it is in all a decision of the overall look of the government that will be decided, and only then a formal announcement of the sort will be made.
Vidya, I'm going to leave it at that, thanking you for the moment for joining in with those details. So a call is finally going to be taken, is what we know, on the CM phase, and that's a call that's going to be taken by the Bharatiya Janata Party. Eknath Shinde earlier was disappointed over these developments. A lot of speculation that he had been sulking, but it appears now that he indeed has come around, paving the path for Devendra Fadnavis to be appointed as the Chief Minister. Ajit Pawar's NCP says there will be 2 deputies, and that's going to be the arrangement. One from Shinde Sena, the second one from the NCP.
Days after Mahayuti's historic victory, Maharashtra is yet to get its next Chief Minister. BJP leaders are claiming that the name of Maharashtra's new Chief Minister has been finalized and a confirmation is awaited from the High Command. Eknath Shinde says he's ready to abide by Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah's decision.
जनता को जैसे सरकार चाहिए वैसे सरकार मिलेगा. मैंने बुधवार के दिन पूरी तरह मेरी भूमिका स्पष्ट की हुई है. आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, आदरणीय गृह मंत्री अमित भाई, पूरी तरह मैंने मेरा समर्थन दिया है. इसके लिए कोई किंतु परंतु नहीं है और स्पष्टता से मैंने कहा है, मैं पूरी स्पष्टता से मेरी भूमिका व्यक्त करने वाला कार्यकर्ता हूं.
NCP's Ajit Pawar has said it has been decided that Chief Minister will be from the Saffron clan.
आमच्या महायुतीचं सरकार स्थापन करायचं एवढा निर्णय झाला. भाजपचा मुख्यमंत्री होईल तोही निर्णय झाला. राहिलेले 2 पक्षाचे 2 उपमुख्यमंत्री होतील हाही निर्णय झाला.
Meanwhile, the opposition is targeting Mahayuti over the delay of the CM announcement.
ये डेट गवर्नर के ऑफिस से आती है. कब से हमारा देश ट्विटर पे चलने लगा है, तो जो भी ओथ ले उनको हमारी शुभेच्छा है. लेकिन ये पूरी अनार्की होने लगी. कोई सिस्टम है कि नहीं हमारे देश में? ये किसी ने जाके क्लेम करना पड़ता है, फिर कहना पड़ता है कि हम गवर्नमेंट बनाएंगे, सरकार बनाएंगे, आंकड़े दिखाते हैं और फिर ये सब तय होता है. तो अभी कुछ हुआ है?
Amid the suspense over CM phase, the fight now is for plum portfolios, and that is also intensifying. Sources tell India Today, Shiv Sena is adamant on its Deputy Chief Minister position, Home Ministry, and wants to retain 9 existing berths. Bureau Report, India Today.